In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify in QuickBooks Online for accurate accounting. If you want your sales and accounting records to stay organized and up to date, connecting Shopify with QuickBooks Online is a very practical step. This integration can help streamline the way your store data flows into your accounting system, making it easier to review transactions, track income, and keep your books more accurate over time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for inside QuickBooks Online so you can start the connection process confidently. To begin, log into your QuickBooks Online account and look toward the top right area of the screen. There, click on Integrations. This is the section where QuickBooks allows you to discover and connect third-party tools and platforms that work with your account. If you haven't used this area before, don't worry. It's designed to be straightforward and easy to navigate. Once you open that menu, select Explore Integrations. This will take you to the Marketplace or Integrations page where you can browse apps and services that connect with QuickBooks Online. It's a useful place to find accounting-related tools, e-commerce connections, and other business solutions. From there, use the search function to look for Shopify, then select it from the results. This is the integration you'll use to connect your online store with QuickBooks Online. Make sure you choose the correct listing so you can review the right details before moving forward. After opening the Shopify integration page, you'll see an overview along with the features the integration offers. Take a moment to read through this section carefully. It helps you understand what kind of data can sync between Shopify and QuickBooks Online and what benefits you can expect from setting up the connection. Reviewing these details first is a good habit, especially if you want to make sure the integration matches your accounting workflow. When you're ready to continue, click Get Integration Now in the top right corner. This will begin the setup process. From there, simply follow the prompts provided on screen to successfully connect Shopify to your QuickBooks Online account. The setup steps may guide you through permissions, account selection, and sync preferences, so read each page carefully before confirming. And that's it. Once the integration is connected, you'll be in a better position to keep your accounting records aligned with your Shopify activity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.